Baking a vanilla cake. At the end of this video, you will be able to identify different ingredients used in a vanilla cake, work with the ingredient to bake a cake. For this cake, you need 3 eggs, 1½ cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 all-purpose flour, 1 cup of oil, and 1 cup of milk. First, take your 9-inch pan and spray it with the cooking spray. Then plug in your machine and turn on the oven to 350 degrees. Take your eggs and crack them in the bowl and mix it for 2 minutes. Then measure 1½ cup of sugar and pour it into the eggs. Let the machine beat the ingredients for another 2 minutes and then add half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Let the machine beat for another 2 minutes for all the ingredients to get mixed into the mixture. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract into the mixture. Then add 1 cup of milk. Now it's the time to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour into your mix and mix it for a few minutes before you can add your oil in it. Now it's the time to add your final ingredient, which is half a cup or 1 cup of oil. I'll leave the mixer to mix all the ingredients for a few minutes so that everything is nicely blended together before I take my butter and pour it into the pan. I will now put the pan inside the oven and cook it for 40 minutes. I'll bake for 40 minutes until the cake is lightly golden on top and a knife inserted into the middle comes out clean. Then I will leave it outside to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will transfer it to the cake stand. Voila, this is how the cake is going to look like. I hope you have learned something valuable today. Thank you for watching.